This is a transformations of graphs question, so we need to remember the rule that we've learnt. If the change is outside the brackets, so if it looks like this or this, then it affects the y coordinate only, and you do what it regularly tells you to do. So if it says f of x plus a, then you add a, whatever it is, to the y coordinates. If it says a times f of x, like this, then you multiply the y coordinates by a. If, however, the a is inside the brackets, the new number is inside, like this or this, then it affects the x coordinates only, and you do the opposite of what it tells you to do. So if it says x plus a on the inside here, we're going to subtract a from the x coordinates. If it says to multiply by a, then you are going to divide the x coordinates by a. So, in this question, it says the graph G is a translation of the graph of y equals f of x. So f of x has moved in that direction, and it's moved, let's count how many squares, so let's go from this point here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's moved 5 squares in the positive x direction. We've added 5 to the x coordinate. So if we've added 5 to the x coordinates, then this would need to be a minus 5, because remember the opposite. So this is going to be f of x minus 5. This adds 5 to the x coordinates, so that shifts it along 5. The graph of f of x has a maximum at point minus 4, 3. Write down the coordinates of the maximum point of the graph y equals f of minus x. So that minus is inside the brackets. It's like timesing by minus 1 in there, but we do the opposite. So we divide by minus 1, and minus 4 divided by minus 1 is 4. The y coordinate remains unaffected, so that will be 3.